Tell me how to know early if you're pregnant with twins.
I'm assuming IVF wasn't involved. Around half of those sessions result in a multiple birth if they implant multiple embryos.
Nope, this is all natural.
You'll figure out if you're pregnant with twins in a few months if more than one kid comes out.
I'd like to know a lot sooner than that.
You could have a good guess that you're pregnant with multiples if the maternity pants don't fit on the first trimester size when you're in the first trimester.
Or you might have gained a lot more weight than you should.
You know you're pregnant with multiples if you get mistaken for about to drop a load when you're only halfway through the pregnancy. And you didn't gain 100 pounds eating for 1.2 kids.
How can you tell the difference between weight gain and pregnancy?
If you look like a rope with a knot in it, you're probably having multiples. If you've swelled up like a Pillsbury Doughboy in all directions, it is weight gain.
I thought there were other ways to know you're pregnant with twins.
That's what sonograms are for. They'll see if there is one embryo or two within 2 weeks of conception, and they'll be able to tell you if you're having identical twins or fraternal twins.
I've heard doctors mistake identical twins for singleton.
At the first visit, maybe, since they may be sharing a small sac. However, as they both grow, they won't always be able to line up with the line of sight of the sonogram wand, much less hide the growth.
I've seen doctors do a measuring tape of the stomach and say you're 6 weeks along.
If you're pregnant with twins, it'll show up as a question of "Are you sure you're 6 weeks along? You look like you're twice that far."
So that's a way you'll know early.
You cannot say you'll have twice as much morning sickness if pregnant with twins, but you could use it as twice as much of an excuse to demand favors and favorites.
If I eat as much as I like saying I'm eating for 3, I'll look like a doughboy.
At least your breasts won't get 3 times as big when pregnant with twins, though the back pain will get worse sooner. You know you're carrying multiples when the doctor recommends a belly support thing in your second trimester.